Hi there, this is Virendra Diyar channel and myself, Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, a motivational director. Dear friends, in this video, I want to tell you for the second time that if you are really having a burning desire to get something in life, you will definitely get it. But for this, you have to have a planning, you have to have persistence, you have to be decisive, you have to continually believe in yourself and never give up and never quit once you are hearing no answers. And if somebody who wants to be with your associates, he will definitely tell you sometime no, because they may not be knowing exactly what kind of person you are. But by seeing your persistent continual action towards attaining your goal, you will be getting that. So in this video, I will like to give you an example of my guru and guide of success philosophy, Dr. Napoleon Hill. When he wanted a job, he sent an application, but the employer was not very positive, and every time he was saying no, but he insisted time and again, and ultimately he was successful. That's why in Desire, Dr. Napoleon Hill explained, if you have a burning desire allied with faith and belief and courage and conviction and self-reliance, nothing is there on earth which cannot be becoming yours. But believe in yourself, believe in your mission, purpose, ambition, definite purpose, and you are going to be there where you want to be. Listen, Dr. Napoleon Hill, what he's telling when he was interested to get a job.
In the early days when I wanted to get a job from a certain firm while I was going to high school, here's the way I went about it. I wrote an application stating my qualifications and my desire for the job. The answer came back, no, too sorry, no position open. Next I sent a telegram. Answer was still no. Next I sent a special delivery letter every day for a week. Answer was still no. Next I sent a special delivery every hour for 2 days. And the firm telegraphed me to come and go to work.
Every person must be his own salesman of personal services.
So dear friends, you learn here. That is the way people become great in life, because their desire is not just hope and wish, and they have not thousands and thousands of contradictory thoughts in their mind. But they have a definite goal and definite purpose in their life, and then with their commitment, their perseverance and persistence, they are becoming person of his dream. So you also become something very valuable, useful, productive to the society. You will enjoy your life, and your life will be really very useful to the people all around you. The building where I am sitting here, this is GVK MRI building, and here you can get emergency services rendered to the people who are in crisis. It is also a GVK hospital where we are treating patients. For corona patients, we are treating free. Here also we have got one of the greatest medical training center, which is soon going to be transformed into GVK Institutes of Medical Sciences. We train doctors and nurses who can really render the victims of circumstances and vicissitudes when they are in emergency. This is also my desire to really render great service to the people. That's why I'm sitting here. Being a physicist and an engineer, I'm trying to learn how to motivate, inspire people so that whichever occupation, profession, callings they are, they will put their best and they will try to go extra mile. In the next video, I will explain you, if you are going extra mile, how much you are going to be benefited. So the bottom line, be persistent. Your desires should be burning. The hot, white intensity of your passion to get what you want, and the attitude to win in Paris, victory or death, do or die, can really stimulate your intelligence to dedicate and commit yourself, strive and seek and find different ways and means to get what you want in life. Patiently, persevering, persisting, saying no to no, because you are not here to hear no. You want to make it yes, and you can do it. Create your own conditions and circumstances just by your iron willpower and mighty thought, which can really create a universe, a world of your own desire and passion. Thank you, viewers.